Diabetics are advised to be selective in choosing foods to control blood sugar levels in the body, including by avoiding certain patterns or types of breakfast. Here are breakfast mistakes that diabetics should avoid. Choosing the right breakfast menu is important to help control diabetes. In addition to a healthy diet and ensuring a stable metabolism throughout the day, diabetics also need to pay attention to mistakes to avoid at breakfast. Here are the mistakes at breakfast that diabetics need to avoid. 1. Do not consume fibrous foods. Breakfast is a great opportunity and time to get fiber. The reason is, fiber is good for diabetes because it makes you full without raising blood sugar. That means better blood sugar control and fewer calories. Try to get 7 to 10 grams of fiber each morning as part of a healthy breakfast for diabetes. 2. Consumption of processed meat. Bacon, sausage, and ham don't add carbohydrates to your diet. Nor are they healthy protein choices. Poor breakfast choices provide excessive calories with little or no nutrition. Try to stay away from breakfasts of large coffee drinks with whipped cream and caramel, sugary cereals, and sweet cakes. 3. Avoid consuming smoothies. Eating fruit is better than drinking it. Just drinking a juice or smoothie in the morning will only provide half of the benefits. Better nutrition comes from whole foods. Keep in mind that a large serving of juiced fruit contains significant carbohydrates and calories. 4. Skipping breakfast. The biggest mistake to avoid is skipping breakfast altogether. When you go too long without eating, your body goes into starvation mode. And when you finally succumb to hunger pangs during the day, you may overeat. Your body will take all the fat from your diet and store it. 5. Less protein. Breakfast should combine a healthy source of carbohydrates, about 15 to 30 grams, with a small amount of lean protein. Think of carbohydrates as the energy your body needs and protein as what keeps it going. Protein also helps you feel fuller.